Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to apply for a Bank of America business credit card. Let's get started. Before applying, take time to research various cards. Look for competitive interest rates and rewards programs that suit your business needs. Now, gather necessary information including your legal business name, business type, and federal tax ID or SSN, years in business, number of employees, monthly expenses, and annual revenue. Many business owners can qualify, including freelancers, sole proprietors, and LLCs and corporations. If you're new, remember that your personal credit score may be considered. Once you're ready, apply online through the Bank of America website or visit a branch in person. Review the application carefully before submitting. And after approval, use your card wisely to separate personal and business expenses, which can help build business credit and improve cash flow. And that's it guys, as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.